The past few weeks have been good for midstream energy infrastructure. Earnings in the first quarter were good. The Mountain Valley Pipeline is moving forward, although it took legislation to push it through the endless court challenges from climate extremists. NextDecade is headed toward announcing their final investment decision on their Rio Grande LNG export facility. The world wants more of America's natural gas. Cheniere exports around 6 billion cubic feet per day, which is roughly half of what's available. We could sell more if we had more export terminals. That's what NextDecade is planning to do. What a contrast with Tellurian, where the CEO Sharif Souki got paid $20 million last year, even though Tellurian is years away from exporting LNG, if at all. As we pointed out in another video on Souki, he likes pay for performance in advance. Quite a while ago, we switched from Tellurian to NextDecade, and I'm glad we did. One thing that isn't yet resolved is the proposed merger of ONEOK and Magellan Midstream. We still think it's a bad deal. Its defining feature is the tax shield ONEOK gets, which results in a big tax bill for most of Magellan's unit holders. Long-term investors like me get hit the most. And why would I be happy afterwards owning ONEOK with 4 times leverage when they've just done a deal I don't like? Many Magellan unit holders will have no tax reason to hang on to the ONEOK stock they'll get in the transaction because they'll have been treated as if they sold their Magellan units. They won't have any unrealized gains. So the deal creates a whole class of ONEOK investors with little reason to hold their stock. ONEOK has argued that the deal adds diversification to their business, but this is a flawed argument because if you own both stocks, you'll have less diversification once they combine, and therefore less incentive to maintain the exposure to the two of them than you had before. The market is pricing the odds of the deal closing at around 50-50. At a couple of recent conferences, management of both companies made their case, and so the odds improved somewhat. But they must be disappointed that so many investors remain unconvinced. We haven't seen anything to change our minds. Shareholders of both companies should remind the board and management who the owners are and vote no to the ONEOK-Magellan combination. That's what we'll be doing. If you're interested in learning more about the energy sector and interest rates, then don't forget to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Our handles are in the description box below. To find out more about what we're thinking, you can sign up for our twice-weekly blog at sl-advisors.com. We always love to hear from you, so if you have any comments or blog ideas, please leave them down below. I'm Simon Lack. Thank you for watching this video.